Module 5, Data Visualization Best Practices. Understanding Data Visualization Principles. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data to convey information and insights in a visual format. Effective data visualization follows certain principles to ensure that the data is presented in a clear, meaningful, and visually appealing manner. Here are some key principles of data visualization. 1. Clarity. The visual should be easy to understand, with a clear and concise message. Avoid cluttering the visual with unnecessary elements or overwhelming the viewer with too much information. Use clear labels, titles, and legends to help viewers understand the data. 2. Purpose. The visual should have a clear purpose and be designed with a specific audience in mind. Consider the context in which the visual will be used and the insights or actions you want the viewer to take after seeing the visual. 3. Accuracy. The visual should accurately represent the data and avoid misleading or distorted representations. Use appropriate data scales, labels, and axis values to ensure that the visual accurately reflects the data being presented. By following these data visualization principles, you can create visualizations that effectively communicate insights, engage viewers, and facilitate data-driven decision-making. Always consider the audience, purpose, and context of the visualizations to ensure they are meaningful, accurate, and visually appealing. Choosing the right chart types. Choosing the right chart type is essential for effective data visualization. Different chart types are suited for different types of data and insights. Here are some commonly used chart types and when they are most appropriate. 1. Bar chart, suitable for comparing values across different categories or groups. Can be vertical or horizontal, with bars representing the values. 2. Column chart, similar to bar chart, but with vertical bars. Can also be used for comparing values across different categories or groups. 3. Line chart, ideal for showing trends over time, such as changes in data values over a continuous period. 4. Area chart, similar to line chart, but with filled areas under the lines. Can be used to show cumulative data or trends over time. 5. Pie chart, used for showing proportions or percentages of a whole. Suitable for representing data with a few categories. When choosing the right chart type, consider the type of data you have, the insights you want to convey, and the audience you are targeting. It's important to choose a chart type that best represents the data in a clear and meaningful way to effectively communicate your message. Experiment with different chart types and use them appropriately to create impactful visualizations. Designing effective layouts. Designing effective layouts for data visualizations is crucial to ensure that the information is presented in a clear and visually appealing manner. Here are some tips for designing effective layouts. 1. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttering your visualizations with too much information or unnecessary elements. Keep the design simple, with a clear focus on the data and the insights you want to convey. 2. Use white space. White space, or negative space, is the empty space around your visualizations. It helps to separate different elements, highlight important information, and improve readability. Don't be afraid to use ample white space in your layout to create a clean and organized look. 3. Prioritize important information. Place the most important information or insights prominently in your layout. Use larger fonts, bold or contrasting colors, or other visual cues to draw attention to key data points or insights. 4. Follow visual hierarchy. Use visual hierarchy techniques, such as size, color, and position, to indicate the importance and relationships among different elements in your layout. For example, use larger fonts or brighter colors for more important data, and place related data or insights closer together. Choose appropriate colors. Use colors strategically in your layout to convey meaning and enhance visual appeal. Choose colors that are visually appealing, but also ensure that they are legible and accessible, especially for colorblind or visually impaired users. Consider using a color palette that is consistent with your organization's brand or visual identity. Designing effective layouts for data visualizations requires careful consideration of the data, insights, audience, and design principles. By following these tips, you can create visually appealing and impactful data visualizations that effectively communicate your message. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.